This is going to be a video tutorial on how to take a screenshot of a video in the VLC media player. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to the VLC media player here. Okay, I have the VLC media player opened up now, and I have a video in here. To take a screenshot of a video, the way that I normally do it, I'll play the video. I'll get to the point in which I want to take the screenshot. I will pause the video. Then I will go up to the tabs up top here, and you want to click on the video tab. I'm going to click on video. Then you will go all the way to the bottom to where it says Take Snapshot. And you want to click on Take Snapshot. Now on a Windows PC, it will automatically save your screenshot to your Pictures folder. Let me open my Pictures folder here. Okay, here's my Pictures folder, and you can see right here is my screenshot. I'm going to double click on it. That is my screenshot that I just took. I'm going to close that. I'm going to go back to the VLC media player. If you're having trouble figuring out where your picture is being saved to, all you need to do is go up to the Tools tab. Click on it. Then you want to go down to where it says Preferences. Click on Preferences. And then in the dialog box that opens up, you want to click on Video up top here. And then down here, Video Snapshots. You can actually change your, it automatically saves it as a PNG file, but you can click this drop down right here, and you can change it to a JPEG or a TIFF. And to choose your destination in which your screenshot's going to go to, all you would need to do is click on the Browse button right here. And then in the dialog box that opens up, you can choose your destination. If you wanted to save it on your desktop or in your downloads or in your documents, you would just choose your destination there. But that is how you take screenshots in the VLC media player. Thanks for watching.